In this lecture, we'll explore the Folders panel underneath the Catalog panel. Go ahead and expand the Folders panel by clicking on this arrow over here. Remember that if you don't see the Folders panel, right-click on any one of the headings that you do see, and just place a check mark next to Folders. So far, we've worked with a catalog of images that we imported from a single folder. That folder was the My Lightroom Photos folder on our desktop. This folder is located in our system's hard drive, and in my case, it's in the Macintosh hard drive, so if I were to expand this, I would see this folder directly underneath that. I can also see that this folder contains 95 images. In many cases, you may need to add additional folders or rename and remove existing ones. To add an additional image folder to this catalog, click the plus sign next to the folder's heading. From the menu, you can simply select Add Folder. From here, you would locate the folder on your desktop, and you could go ahead and add it to your folders list. I'll go ahead and just add this sample folder for now. Once I add the folder, it's going to ask me if I want to import the contents of that folder to my existing catalog. If I did, I would just click the import button, and then I would have the new folder and the new image, or video in this case, added. I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel because I don't want to do that right now. If you right click on the My Lightroom Photos, you also have the additional option of renaming or removing the folder. So if I were to go to rename, I would have the option of plugging in a new folder name, and I could just hit save. One important thing to keep in mind here is that these folders are not virtual folders like the collection folders we created earlier. Any changes you do here will create physical directories or modify physical directories on your storage device. Since we'll only be working with the My Lightroom Photos directory for now, you can go ahead and minimize the folders panel.